Okay, we're going home today after 3 nights stay. We clean up a bit, to leave it. And this is all the wet towel on the floor. Check. Sink all clear. And we are having a nachos for starter.
It was mainly barbecue chips.
Now everyone got their food. We got scrambled egg, toast preserve, nachos, mommy Japanese egg, and daddy have egg pancake. Let's see. There's salmon here. Yum.
This does help me eat some vegetables at least I did.
How's your nachos, though? How's yours, though?
Very good.
Hi guys, hi friend. Now kita dah makan pagi tadi. Lepas tu pergi shopping sikit. Now, do you know where I'm gonna take you? I'm gonna take you to SPC factory outlet. Sorry, SPC. This factory, dia jual macam fruits in a can, baked bean, and it's a very cheap price. So let's go and have a look. Nanti I update lagi ya when we get there. Alright guys, see ya. Okay, kita dah sampai. Daddy just parked the car. Hi Zaf. Kita dah sampai. Okay, sinilah tempat dia. Get the trolley. Tengok ni 20 set. Zaf there. Entrance. That's exit. So this is example look like the sauce. We have to be smart, okay? Like my husband checking how much it costs and how much you can do want to get. Just beli apa yang nak guna. Like this spaghetti, 3 packet for $4. You can mix and match. So I ambil yang ni, yang small one. Small one like this one is good for soup. Buat soup sedap. This is spice. And here's more gluten free. Okay, we are home now. Very tired. We got back home. This is about 3 hours drive. And remember I showed before, I was recording the factory we goes out, the SPC factory. This is what we got for $145.
We forgot to home.
No, we're going to show them now. This is a diced tomato. One can in at Coles about $2, but now we got all these for 12 can for $15, I think. Yeah, and this spaghetti 3 for $5. This sweet chili sauce $1, and the bargain is, can you believe it? This one, Ultra Sheer Clean Face, 4 for $5. So is a bargain, guys. Rubbish bag, Lux, only $1. Papa Dom, $1, and all these. If I go to Kohl's, I'll probably have to pay 200 plus. So I'm gonna use this, and yeah, it's very worth it, and we're gonna try use all these up. And the school is opening next week, and this is all good stuff that we're gonna use. And you know what, I'm gonna use this, and I'll tell you guys how long all these gonna last. Like all these tomatoes, and we got baked beans and all this stuff, and that will save us from going. We'll have to get meat and veggies semua macam tu, tapi yang lain kawan-kawan dah boleh save. Paper towel, fantastic. And and yeah, and also, you know, it's very good and all that. And and also this one, okay, this one is for Zaf lunchbox. All right, that's it for today, guys. Bye.